Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine from fruit. First, gather all your equipment and sanitize it meticulously. Cleanliness is paramount to prevent spoilage. Next, prepare your fruit by washing, chopping, and mashing it to release its juices. Then, combine the mashed fruit with sugar, water, and essential yeast nutrients to create what's called the must. It is important to balance the sugar and acid levels in your must for the best fermentation results. Once your must is ready, it is time to introduce the wine yeast, which will begin the magical transformation of sugar into alcohol. Place your must in a primary fermenter, covered, and allow it to ferment for approximately 5 to 7 days. During this period, stir the must daily to keep the fruit submerged and extract maximum flavor. You will notice active bubbling in the airlock, a clear sign that fermentation is vigorously underway. After primary fermentation, it is time for racking. Carefully strain out all the fruit solids, then transfer the young wine into a clean secondary fermenter, leaving any sediment behind. This step is crucial for clarity and flavor development. Allow the wine to age in this secondary vessel for several months in a cool, dark environment. If more sediment settles, perform another racking to ensure your wine becomes beautifully clear. The final exciting step is bottling your homemade wine. Thoroughly sanitize all your bottles and siphoning equipment. Carefully siphon the clear wine into your clean bottles, ensuring you leave about 1 inch of headspace. Seal each bottle tightly with a cork or cap to prevent any air from entering and spoiling your hard work. For the best flavor, allow your bottled wine to age for at least 3 to 6 months before enjoying your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.